What's up guys, welcome to Onourshelf. Check this out. I have this really cool LED face changing mask. It's going to transform my face into various different characters. This looks so cool. You don't need much to look awesome, just your favorite hoodie and the mask and you're all good to go. Alright you guys, check out this face mask. It changes your face into different characters. This would be great for Halloween. I'm going to have so much fun with this LED mask. Alright, now it's time to peel the plastic off. There are two versions of this mask, a rechargeable version and a AA battery version. We have the AA battery version. This mask takes 3 AA batteries. You just put them in the back right here. This mask also has a gesture sensor, which means you can wave your hand in front of the mask and it'll change the face. The strap is adjustable and very comfortable. The design is very simple. Not only can you change the faces with the button or waving your hand, but you can also use their app. It's really awesome. There are so many options here, over 40 options to choose from. You could change your face to different characters and different designs. You can even customize it and put your own face in there, or you could put a dog's face in there. You could choose from your own photo gallery and the image will download to the mask. That's awesome. You can also text something to the mask. For example, your name, it'll show on the mask. That is really neat. Another thing this mask can do is dance to music. So check it out. I'm having a lot of fun with this app. Check out all these cool designs and characters. This mask is really awesome. How cool was that? Wow. All right, we're gonna do 3 light tests. We're gonna have the lights dim just a little bit. We're gonna have the lights completely off, and we're gonna have the lights on. So let's enjoy the show. There are so many choices here. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. This mask had so many choices to transform your face. That was amazing. I hope this video was helpful. Take care, comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'll put some affiliate links down below in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.